At the end of this video, I'll be explaining to you everything you need to know on direct substitution. You'll be able to solve any question regarding to direct substitution without having to stress yourself. In just 7 minutes, you'll be able to know everything regarding to direct substitution. Now, here is it. If you watch till the end, I'll be showing you a simple trick on how you can spot out any question regarding to this. So now let's talk about this. Direct integral substitution. Okay, now whenever it comes to direct substitution, this should be in your mind. Y, okay, first derivative of y is equal to f of x. That is, this is also saying dy over dx being equal to f of x. Okay, they are still the same thing, so no matter what. Now looking at this, let's assume, all right, we were actually given a question. Let's say we're given a question, let's say we're given x dy over dx being equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now looking at this question, okay, what do you think we can actually do? There is something actually disturbing us from getting this. That is this x. Okay, what do? We divide both sides by the x. Okay, that is, we can say this should be dy over dx being equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3, all divided by x. Okay, so definitely dy over dx will be equal to, this x will be dividing each of those things you're seeing out there. That is, we'll be having this as what? This x will be having this as x, okay, plus this x divides that x squared to give us x. Then x will be divided into x to give us 2 minus 3 divided by x, because there is no value at the top of the 3. Okay, I hope you understand. Now, looking at this now, what do you think we can actually do? Okay, we definitely need to integrate. Now let me show you what you need to know. Okay, now let's assume they give us y equal to 3x raised to the power of 2. Okay, and they say we should differentiate this. So we're differentiating y with respect to x. Okay, it's more like saying we're having it as 6x. So you don't know about differentiation yet. This is the general rule for differentiation. That is, the 2 up there is the n. When it comes down, multiplying 3 will give us 6. Okay, then you have to do what? Subtract 1 from it. So that was how we got 6x. I hope you understand now. So now imagine they give us this thing. They said we should look for y. What do we have to do? We will have to integrate. I hope you understand. So both of them, they're actually talking about the same thing. So since we have it as dy over dx, or what? We are integrating. So now dy over dx will give us what? Will give us y being equal to integrating x will give us x squared divided by 2. Okay, now how did I get that? You don't know about integration yet. Don't worry, I'll be explaining to you. This is the general rule for integration. Okay, divided by n plus 1. That is, let's say we have x, okay? X, the power is 1, I hope you know. Then you're adding 1 to it, dividing by that same thing you're having added to it. Okay, which definitely give us what? X squared divided by 2. So that was how we came about that. I hope you understand now. So the 2 here will be what? Will give us 2x. How? Let me explain. Now, these 2 you're seeing right here, okay, it can actually be, I can also say multiply by x raised to the power of 0, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this 2x raised to the power of 0 you're seeing here, it is still like saying I'm having it as 2. I hope you understand. So this is 2x raised to the power of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. So this will be equal to what? 2x divided by 1, which is still 2x. And that was how I came about the answer. Now the minus 3, this will be 3 lane what? Lane x. Now let me explain to you. You know, this 3 divided by x can be said to be 3 multiplied by 1 over x. It is still the same thing. So 1 over x in integration is known to be lane x. I will explain to you. Differentiating the denominator will give us exactly what is at the numerator. Okay? So that is lane x. So whenever you differentiate the denominator and it's giving you exactly what you have at the numerator, then you're actually good. Note, don't forget to always add plus c. Alright? Now, let's talk about this. Let's assume we were also given another question. That is, okay, let's say we were given dy divided by dx being equal to, okay, we say 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. Okay, now let's say we're given this question. Now looking at this, it is very much more easier to solve it. Okay, we just have to do what? We just have to integrate it immediately because we don't have anything we need to do here. So integrating this now, you already know how it is. This will be 3x 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 6x 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 5x raised to the power of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. Don't forget to do what? Add plus c. So y is equal to 3x raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 6x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus 5x plus c. So y is equal to, this cancel this, and we have x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x plus c. So that is the final answer to this particular problem. I hope you understand. So now, I'll be leaving you with something, okay? I hope you can now identify it. Now, let me leave you with this. The y of dx being equal to 5x raised to the power of 3 plus 4, okay? Let's say x. Okay, let's say x squared. Now, try this out yourself and let me have your answer in the comment section below. Okay, you can use this for the sake of practice. So thank you so much for watching to this end. Now, since you've done that, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share to your learned colleagues. This way, YouTube will actually recommend this video to those that are in need of it. See you in my next video.